Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Caswell. Today I'm going to read The Little Blue Boat. I wish I was on a boat. On the waves of the sea, something blue rocks and floats. What can it be? A little blue boat. The little blue boat has friends in these waters, a dolphin, a seal, and two little otters. Deeper down in the sea where the water grows dark swim a lobster and jellies and even a shark. The little blue boat goes out with the tide that leaves pools of water where hermit crabs hide. Oh, look out there. Do you see two big tails? The little blue boat knows that they belong to blue whales. The little blue boat has friends that have feathers. How nice to have someone to sail with together. The end. See you later.